Today I'm going to talk about the best headlight restoration kit available on the market. At number 1, 3M 39008 Headlight Lens Restoration System. This restoration kit includes sanding discs, wax protectant, and maxing tape. It is an effective kit that requires users to apply the masking tape, trizact abrasive discs, and then clean with a protectant to complete the restoration process. The abrasive discs have a fine surface design that prevents them from creating more marks and scratches on the lens. The kit enables headlight restoration without the need for tools at just a fraction of the cost of complete headline replacement. It is suitable for use on plastic lenses including fog lights, headlights, directional lights, and tail lights. At number 2, SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit. Completely restore your headlights in 3 easy steps using this restoration kit. The first step is to apply the application of the surface activator to soften the plastic for easy sand smoothing. The second step involves sanding and polishing, while the final step is to finish and seal. The kit includes a UV block clear coat to ensure long-lasting clarity of the lens. There are 2 applicator cloths in the package, vinyl gloves, 1 blue lint-free UV clear cloth applicator, and waterproof sandpapers of different grades. Although there is a lifetime warranty on the restoration kit, there is often a need to redo the processes on your headlights after a few months of use. At number 3, Wipe New HDL 6PCM TRRT Headlight Restore Kit. This restoration kit includes a lens polishing pad and 2-sided oxidation removal for users to use in eliminating haze, imperfections, and grime on the headlights. The package consists of a pair of nitrile gloves, a dyeing towel, a lens polishing pad, and 1 precision wipe it. The precision wipe it is infused with the cleaning formula for convenient packaging, and users can tear off a part of it or a single use. This restoration kit is an excellent option for headlights that are foggy or cloudy, resulting in minimal visibility during driving.